missing number in array. In this question, we are given an array of size n-1 such that it only contains distinct integer in range of 1 to n, and we have to find the missing element. Let's see the input and output of this question. We are given an array with size n-1. Now we have to find out the number missing in this array. Here we can see 4 is missing from this array. So this is what we have to find. Let's see the algorithm to solve this question. Here in step 1, we'll find the sum of n elements. We can find the sum of n elements with formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So the sum will store it in variable a. So the sum is 15. Then we'll find the sum of all the elements in the array. So we'll store it in variable b. B equal to 11. Then for the output, we'll subtract a minus b, and the output is 4. So 4 is the missing number in the array. Let's jump into the code. Here first we'll assign two integer variables, a equal to 0 and b equal to the sum of n elements with that formula. Then we'll run a for loop where we'll find the sum of all the elements in the array. Then we'll subtract b minus a to get our output. This is quite simple, and this is the solution of this problem.